chicken farmer took a walk out on his farm one day. He paused by the coop as he went along his way. When all at once a rotten egg hit him in the eye. It was a sight he dreaded. Ghost chickens in the sky. Ghost chickens in the sky. Been a chicken farmer since he was 24. Working for the colonel 30 years or more. Killing all them chickens and sending them to fry. And now they want revenge. Ghost chickens in the sky. Chickens in the sky.
Oh, yeah.
Beaks were black and shiny and their eyes were blazing red. They didn't have no feathers, these chickens all were dead. They picked that farmer up and he died by the claw. They cooked them extra crispy and they ate them with coleslaw. Ghost chicken